Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some adorable watermelon shelf sitters that are going to be perfect to accent your decor in the summer. These are in my wood shop and we are painting them a bright pink color. You can paint them red, you can paint them pink, just do whatever makes you happy. So we're going to put a base coat of pink on the entire piece, and then we're going to bring in some lime green and white to actually do the rinds, which you are seeing here. So I did a little bit of the darker green around the edge, and then make sure you actually paint the edge of the wood piece too. And then we're going to bring in some white around the rind where it is closest to the pink watermelon. We're going to do both of these colors while our paint is wet, and that is going to create a really blended look that looks very natural. To do the watermelon seeds, I just used a black paint marker. This is going to make it super easy. You don't have to worry about getting it perfect. Paint markers are perfect for detail work like this. You're going to see me do just little teardrops all around the edge. You could do them at the top, or you could intersperse them throughout the watermelon. And then I added a little highlight of white. And now you can see I'm taking white paint and I'm just palette knife painting on the top of the piece. You can do that, or you can leave them without the palette knife painting, but it's totally just your preference. Now we're going to create a scrappy bow to bring it all together, and you guys, this is one of the most adorable projects that I have fallen in love with, and I cannot wait for you to try one of your own. What do you think? I am absolutely obsessed. If you love this DIY and all things home creative, I encourage you to visit my website at theruffleddaisy.org and make sure you're following me on all the social media channels. Thank you so much for watching today.